Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique.
Hi friends, in this video we're just going to show how to make a strike through text formatting on your Google Docs. So you can see a strike on the selected words or sentence. You can make it for a paragraph, you can make it for your word, or you can make it for a sentence. For example, I'm just going to choose the entire paragraph and I'm just going to change the format to strike through. So you just need to click on the format option here, then click on the text option here, then you just go here, you can see a strike through option here. You can also use the keyboard shortcut as Alt plus Shift plus 5. You just click here, you can see the everything here has been striked. You can also choose entire paragraph or entire page and you can make it as a strike through to this. You can also change the Control Z to undo the option, or you can also strike up your line on your paragraph by choosing to the format text and strike through. So I think this will help you more on Google Docs, and if you think this is useful, just like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And if you want more videos about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.